So finally, after much buzz, much build-up, and even bigger cast, Houseful 5 has hit theatres. Yes, the fifth chapter in Bollywood's loudest, most chaotic, and unapologetically silly comedy franchise is now in cinemas. And 4 days in, the film is already proving that love it or hate it, you just can't ignore Houseful 5. So hi everyone, welcome to the FPJ Showbiz. Now let's talk numbers because numbers are where the real drama unfolds. So in just 4 days, Houseful 5 has entered the rupees 100 crore club. Yes, as per early estimate reported by SACNIC, the film made 13.5 crore on Monday despite the expected weekday drop. And that brings the total box office collection to a solid 101 crore so far. That's a pretty impressive jump considering Sunday alone pulled in 32.5 crore. Its highest single day collection yet. Now what makes this milestone even more interesting? That it has officially overtaken the Indian net collection of Akshay Kumar's previous film Kesari Chapter 2, which had capped at 92.53 crore. But the big question now is, can it go past Skyforce, which had wrapped up its run at 149 crore? Well, the target is definitely in sight, but the next few days will decide whether Houseful 5 can hold strong or crash under its own weight. And the weight it has, a heavyweight cast. The film is literally stuffed with stars. Akshay Kumar, Abhishek Bachchan, Ritesh Deshmukh, Jacqueline Fernandez, Nargis Fakhri, Saundarya Sharma and even veterans like Nana Patekar, Jackie Shroff, Ranjit and Johnny Lever. It's a full-on celebrity circus. So it's like the makers said, so overall the film is a jolly entertainer and it's like the maker said, why confuse people once when you can do it twice? Now when it comes to the audience reaction, things are as mixed as the plot. Some people are enjoying it for what it is, a brain-off, laugh out loud, slapstick escape. They say it's pure entertainment, especially if you're watching it with friends or family who just want to laugh. But others are totally disappointed, calling the humor dated, the jokes cringe, and the plot a lazy rehash of the same old template. Critics too haven't held back. So now where do you stand in all of this? Because here is what I want to know from you. Do films like Houseful 5 still deserve space in today's cinema, where the audience is clearly split between wanting highbrow content and lowbrow entertainment? Or are we too quick to judge something that's just trying to make us laugh, even if in the silliest way possible? Tell me in the comments, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the FPJ Showbiz for more updates.